Ice cream. 1. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. It's one of my favorite treats, especially during hot weather. 2. Do you eat ice cream a lot? I enjoy ice cream occasionally, especially on special occasions or when I'm craving something sweet and refreshing. 3. Did you eat ice cream as a child? Absolutely. Ice cream was a delightful treat during my childhood, and I have fond memories of enjoying it with my family and friends. 4. Are there shops selling ice cream near where you live? Yes, there are several ice cream shops near my place. It's convenient to satisfy my ice cream cravings whenever I want. 5. Would you like to make your own ice cream? I would love to try making my own ice cream someday. It seems like a fun and creative activity, and I can customize the flavors to suit my taste preferences.